precious name. Amen.
When we think of God and up in heaven and how holy it is, and the angels rejoicing and the people there, and how awesome that is, but even more awesome is He hears our prayers. And He humbled Himself to come to earth, and that He wanted to be among us, and He wants us to have communion with Him. Our song today is Holy is the Lord.